slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. You catch me, I'm buying a deal.
Come on.
If you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. Hey, I'm all in the metaverse. I'm digital travel the universe. I look at the price and the dripping is going up. Send the whole crew alert. Crypto, we go berserk. You witness a certified bull run. 60 to 70, 80 to 90 in 30 days, we getting full sale. Check out my stash, I don't do cash, only do Metamask. Went to the Hamptons, I'm up in virtual, man, and we had a blast. Look at the way that I'm dripping saucy. Check out my jewelry game is frosty. She love the way that I'm driving flossing. KingPachino bossing. Compound interest, ain't nothing suspicious. If you ain't dripping, then you must be slipping. Ain't paying no attention, crypto game took it to the top. Don't drip by the dip when the value drop. Blockchain boys, y'all made it hot. Talk crypto now when we on the block. Dip.
Let's
If you
go.
ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping.
Shout out to all my drip community.
You catch me, I'm buying the deal.
Y'all
if you
know
ain't
it.
dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping,
I
you slipping.
am
If you ain't
the
dripping, you
drip
slipping.
philosopher.
If you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. You catch me, I'm buying the deal.
Who building your
If
bag?
you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping,
You
you
building
slipping.
your bag?
If you ain't dripping, you
Let's go.
slipping. Don't trip,
Buy it.
buy the deal.
Hey.
Don't trip, buy the deal, buy the deal. Don't trip.
Who buying the deal?
Buy the deal.
Who building the bag?
Don't trip.
Hey, break it down. Let's go.
You know, for sure. We on crypto. So don't trip, buy the deal, don't trip, buy the deal, yes sir.
Hey, guess who's back? Guess who's back?
Purchase your tracks
Guess who's
today.
back? Hey, KingPachino, I'm back. Hey, KingPachino, I'm back with drip, them stacks. Hey, let me slow this down. What's up, everybody? Y'all know what time it is. It's your boy, Mr. KingPachino, aka man, Mr. King Crypto. Welcome to the Crypto Millionaire channel. Make sure that you like, subscribe, click that notification bell button so you get all the notifications anytime I drop. Because you know when I drop them bangers, guys. Listen, I'm excited, guys. Gonna talk to you today. I'm gonna try to keep this short and sweet, but I'm gonna give you a little bit of tutorial for my new people who want to know about drip. So today I'm gonna be doing two things simultaneously to show you how do you build your bag. There's two things. If you're new to this game, or if you're still in drip, if you're in the very beginning, if you've just been kind of slipping on your dripping, and you want to know how do I start building my bag, how do I get my bag up, what things do I need to be doing, I want you to know there's going to be a couple key things that you got to do. Okay? You got to hydrate. And you want to buy some dips. You want to catch some dips. Very important. Right? Now, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So anytime you invest, make sure that you do the research yourself and only invest risk capital. But we're going to show you a couple things, guys. We're going to show you. Today, I'm going to show you how I'm going to take BNB, buy drip with it, and put it into faucet. See, when you buy drip, if it's not in the faucet, you don't earn 1%. You have to take the drip and then put it in the faucet. I'm also going to show you how I take something that's already in my available balance and redeposit it. So I'm going to be doubling up. And this is how you build your bag. You got to have that double up game, man. Why are you doubling up? You want that bag to double up? Let's double up. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you want to join drip, guys. My information is in the description below. Use my buddy link. I'll make sure that you're a part of our Crypto Millionaire Facebook group. As you can see, guys, you know, holla at your boy. If you join me, man, you're going to be loved. You're going to be locked in. Not only are you locked in, guys, but guess what? We're going to make sure that you're also in the messenger as well, too. I already show everybody when to buy dips. As you can see, guys, what? Drip is at the time when I make this post, drip was at $6.17. But I showed people up here the supply. I showed people when I gave them the drip alert. Let me show you. I gave them a drip alert. Drip dip alert. $5.57. 54 cents. I'm sorry. Drip alert. Told them, get this dip. Come on, man. Look at the circle light and supply. Get this dip. People giving thumbs up. People talking about it. Boom. Buying a drip. Look, got people in here. Boom. They saying, oh, I'm finally at 462 drip. Shout out. Shout out to Marion. Come on, man. Let's keep building that dip. Let's keep building that drip. Let's keep building that drip, baby. Shout out. Look at that. Boom. Look at that. Think about that. Look at that. Boom. I'm at 540 drip. Keep building that bag. Shout out to Ira. Keep building that bag, bro. Build that bag, bro. Let's keep building this bag. But let's dive into it so we can get into it, guys. Because I don't want this to be too long. I got some other stuff I need to do. So I'm going to get to it. Right? So currently right now I have 540 drip in my deposit. Have $50 right now, guys. As you just saw, I switched over $50.08 in my deposit. I mean, in my available balance. Now I want to show you this, guys. Let me go to my calculator real quick, right? Let me go to my calculator. Now I'm gonna take $50, guys. Remember, anything you put in the deposit is gonna multiply by 365%. I'm gonna take $50 and multiply this times 365%. My $50 is gonna make me $182. Let me make sure that's right. $50 times 365% equals $182. If I subtract the $50 from it that I invested, I'm going to make $132 just by investing this $50. Guys, I want you to really think about that. You just have to have the patience to be able to earn it at 1% at a time. 1% at a time. But guys, I'm going to show you. I bought another $75. I bought 4 drips in BNB. I'm going to switch that over and turn it into drip. Let me show you what I mean by that. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go into my MetaMask, and I just want to for the new people, right? If you're new, don't worry. If you're a vet, don't worry about this part. For the new people, I do everything from my phone, so you have to have the MetaMask app. If you have the MetaMask app, guys, you can come here and go to your wallets. As you can see, I got $87.18, right? So I'm gonna use about $75 of that, right, to go into that I'm going to turn into drip, right? You do not want to use the whole 87 because you still need BNB for transactions. So I'm going to do about $75. It's going to leave me, about $17 or whatever it is in that, some little pocket change in there just for hydration, right? So this is how you do this. I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. Number one, you can come here, guys, and you can go to your browser. At the bottom here, I got all my tabs here, guys. I can go to Coin Market Cap. I can come in here. I can look at BNB. From BNB right now, I can scroll down. See if this is the dip on BNB as well too. And right here in the converter, guys, I can come right here and I can say I want to do about $75. That'll leave me about a little bit more than $10. Yeah, I'm gonna do about $75 worth of drip. Right, that's 0.28 of BNB. Right, you're gonna need this number. You need this number because you're gonna make sure you don't use all your BNB because you need to save a little bit for your transactions. Right. So now I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna go back to the wallet. Go back to the browser. I'm sorry. Come back here. Go back to drip. Come here. Right now, when I come to swap. Tell you the price of drip going up, man. I've been trying to catch this thing. Okay, see, it shows your balance 0.37. You don't want to use it all. Don't make that mistake because you're not going to be able to successfully send it through because you're using all your BNB and you need BNB for transactions, right? So I'm going to go ahead and buy. All right, it's going to give me a fee, right? 12 cents. I'm just going to choose medium, save, boom, right? So what it's doing is right now I'm buying drip with BNB. That's what you're watching happen right now. Boom, I bought the drip. Now that I bought the drip, I want you to understand this. I bought the drip, but the drip is not making me 1% just yet. The drip is in my wallet. Let me show you. If I come here, I go back to wallets. Now you see I have $65.64 worth of drip. The reason why I have $65 and not $75 or whatever is because they charge 10% when you buy it, when you turn it from BNB to drip. And then when you put it in, they're going to charge you as well too. So it's like a fee. I think it's 10%. I'm not sure I think it is 10% when you go from BNB, right? So now that I have some drip, okay? Now that I have some drip, I'm going to go ahead and take this drip, $65 in what you call it, and I'm going to put it into the faucet. How I'm going to do that is I'm going to go to the browser. From the browser, I'm going to go back to the faucet because you got to go to the faucet. I already have $50.12 inside of my available balance. Remember, I'm at 544 drip. 544 drip. My max payout is 1.9, almost 1.988 in the max deposit, right? So now what I'm going to do is, you see down here, it says I'm going to get 11.58 drip. So I'm about to accumulate another 11 drip, guys. So I'm going to hit max. It's going to give me 11 drip. I'm going to load this drip. Check the fee out, 40 cents, save. Boom, and it's gonna give me This drip is going to go into my deposit. Right, that's $65. Now I want to show you something very quickly. Now you see I'm at 562.85 drip, but let me show you what happened, right, with that $50, right? Because I just showed you how I made $135 profit after I subtracted 50 that I'm about to show you how to hydrate. But I also put another $65 in, right? Well, 65, let me say 65 minus, we're gonna say 10%. So I put in another $58. If I multiply that times 365%, $213. If I subtract the 58, $155. So you saw me with my profits from me taking the 50. Now I'm gonna turn that into what, 130, 132, 132. Plus this one. So today you're going to watch me earn today $287.52 in the max deposit. I want you to think about how powerful that is. 300. Where can you do that? You can't do this anywhere at the bank, guys. This is why drip is king, right? If you understand this part, guys, you'll understand that money is a tool. You have to use your money to create wealth. It's a tool. So now, as you see here, I've hydrated, guys. You see now that I'm at $3,595, almost $3,600 in here now. So I'm somewhere around $35.95 per day. If I do $39.95 per day times 30 days equal, boom, I'm at almost $1,200 a month. You just saw this, guys. If you've been watching me, you saw I was under $1,000. So now you see I'm almost at $1,200 a month. Right now, you've been watching this and you see my last video, you will see. If you see the last video, you will see, guys. This is what's so powerful about this. Buying the dips are so powerful because when you buy the dips and they go up a little bit, you get those increases as well too, along with the 1% compounded interest of you continuing to reinvest, keep on hydrating. So guys, I am excited, and while I'm talking to you right now, you just saw your bro earn 5 cents right now while I'm talking to you. My max payout now is officially over 2K, baby. You know what I'm saying? I'm in my lane. See, I'm not worried about a whale. I'm not complaining about the whale who done maxed out 2 times on his way to 3 times. No, I'm not worried. I'm on my lane. You got to rock your lane. Rock your lane right now. If you're at 25 drip, tell yourself you're going to get to 50. If you at 50, tell yourself you're going to get to 75, and 75 to 100, 100 to 150, to 200 to 300, 400, 500. That's what I'm doing. I ain't playing with them. And I'm on my way to 600. Can't wait till I get to my first 1,000, guys. 27,000 in your deposit. 27,000 drip is going to give you a maxed out account. You can do this thing if you stay focused. Buy the dips, guys. Continue to hydrate. Stay focused. You got to begin with the end in mind. Put yourself on a 24-month game plan, man. Stop playing. Do you want to be successful? They say in order to, to live the way that people don't, you got to do stuff that they won't. Right? You got to die to who you are today and give birth to who you are. I say the same wind blows on us all. It is not the wind that blows that determines your arrival. It is the setting of your sail. What decisions are you making? Are you watching people build their drip bag and you just on the sideline? What are you doing? Are you building your bag? Are you in a herd? Are you in a pack? Are you on a team? Are you in a squad? Are you running with the pack? Are you getting lost in the pack? What are you doing? Ask yourself these questions, guys, because, we running as a herd. Crypto millionaires, I see the crypto millionaires right behind me, man. Sometimes I'm a little bit behind a couple. Then I come up and when they get slow down a little bit, I pick up the pace. That's what a herd does. Then I step out in the front and start running and leading the pack. Then somebody see I slow down and they catch a dip and they're a little bit in front of me and they lead the pack and I'm following them. See, this is how the herd moves. Herds move like this. Birds move like this. Any team function understands. First, you got to alternate who's in the front sometimes and give the other person a small break where they can coast a little bit. Then it's time for them to push and go forward. So are you rocking with the crypto millionaires? You know what I'm saying? What you doing? As you see right now, guys, at 36, numbers went up. I'm at 36. I'm at the 36. So let me go on, slide on over to this animal farm. I keep it real simple over here, guys. I keep it real simple over here. I keep it real simple. I don't overcomplicate this thing. I know it's way more money to make in our ecosystem. I don't even talk about it that much. The reason why, guys, is because it's enough people on YouTube that talk about it. And guess what? At the end of the day, the people that's really coming into drip that's new, they got to come through the front door, which is drip. And they got to understand how drip work and build their bags and drip. They got to get the drip up, man. I'm here to show you how to get this. I'm the drip coach. I'm the drip philosopher. I'm the drip coach. I ain't gonna teach the whole ecosystem right now. What I'm gonna do is show you how I'm gonna drip, show you how I'm build my bag, and simplify it for you, and make it to where you ain't got all these complicated things you have to learn. Build that drip up, man. Let's go. Put yourself on the 2-year game plan, man. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide on over here. Switch this wallet before I go. Let me swatch this. I gotta go over here real quick, just cause. Let me switch my wallet up. I'm gonna go to AVAX. I'm gonna go to my browser. I'm gonna go to Splash. If I gotta go to Splash, so I know people don't be wanting to talk about it. It's all good, baby. I'm gonna put that drip and that splash on them real quick. I ain't gonna even play with you. Regardless. See, I'm a trendsetter. I don't follow the herd. I create lanes. You know. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna let this thing load up. We're gonna see where I'm at right now. I think I need to do some little hydrating over here as well too. I'm gonna catch a little dip over here. I'm gonna just like splash. I'm gonna show them a little love, because at the end of the day, it's only 13 cents last time I checked. 12 cents, 13 cents. It's not really that much for it. So you know, I'll just kind of watch them. If they go down and dip, I put a little something over there. But you know, drip has the community. So I try to build my drip bag up for sure. But let's see if we can get this thing to move a little bit, so we can go ahead and take over. Let me see if I can just go to the tap. I ain't got no time to be playing with them right now. Come on. I got a busy day, man. I got some stuff I got to do in the metaverse. Some stuff to do in the metaverse, man. So I want to know, listen, whoever's supporting me, I want to shout out to everybody that's watching my channel, supporting, man, all the new subscribers, anyone that has subscribed, all the new team members that have come on board. I appreciate everybody, man. I really do appreciate y'all support, man. You know, it's not easy waking up all the time or finding ways to be able to come to you guys, share content, share mindset, you know, with millions of things going on, but we do it. You know, shout out to all the YouTubers and content creators, because guess what? We go out there and do it. You know what I'm saying? And at the end of the day, when you go out there and do it, you're going to have some people happy, some people mad, some people hate, in comments, whatever it may be. But you still go out there and you're making it happen. So shout out to all the content creators, man. Shout out to all the people that support. And if you've been watching my channel and you have not liked and subscribed, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Just hit the button. You already been watching. Just hit the button, man. Help your boy out on the algorithm, you know? Help your boy out on the algorithm. So right now you can see I got another 91.90 splash available. So I'm going to go ahead and hydrate that as well. Let's compound that real quick. I got to give y'all a moment of transparency. Click that low to get that price down, get that fee down a little bit. And hopefully the music not too loud, guys. I normally don't play this track right here, so hopefully it's not too loud, but complete. Boom. Your boy's over 3,000 splash. Over 11,000 in the max payout. Let's go, baby. We ain't gonna play with them. Max payout is 100,000, so, you know, I'm more than 10% there. Ain't that something? Interesting. Okay. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. We gonna keep on building this thing. We ain't gonna trip. We gonna keep on stacking it. Keep on stacking it. Keep on racking it. You know what I'm saying? So, I hope y'all enjoyed that video, man. This is my time. And like I always say, we won't see you at the top. We'll see you over the top. Because you're built for greatness. Hey, 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 you're built for greatness. Say I'm built for greatness. Hey, I'm built for greatness. Hey, I'm built for greatness. Hey, I'm built for greatness. One more. I'm built for greatness. Hey, I'm built for greatness. Hey, I'm built for greatness. Yeah, I'm built for greatness. And I'm gone. Y'all like the chill vibe? Like and subscribe, man. Leave a comment. Let me know if y'all like that breakdown at the end, man. I'm gone.